They built their little dam, named me on their map, drew their careful crooked line, like they could hold me back. Tied my hands with greater good, smiling while they stacked the stone. But under every shallow rule, I was carving out my own. You hear that low growl, rattling your thin ground, yeah. All your fences shake, every lie you lay down. I'm a wild river, crashing through the cages that you tried to lay across my skin. I'm a wild river, tearing at the banks till every border's given. You can curse, you can pray, you can beg me to stay, but I was born to run. I'm a wild river, and I'm already gone. They painted future in straight road, single file in quiet cars. Said it is the best for you, while I stared up at the stars. Underneath your spotless shoes, mud remembers every name, every footprint that you pressed. I'm rising through the cracks again. See the wild signs beneath the calm surface. Hey, a choice is in your hand, but I'll be on my way. I'm a wild river, crashing through the cages that you try to lay across my skin. I'm a wild river, tearing at the banks till every border's given in. You can curse, you can pray, you can beg me to stay, but I was born to run. I'm a wild river, and I'm already gone. Turn your back, I'll change my course. Every never feeds this force. Every wall just makes me faster. Every should becomes my laughter. I'm a wild